Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone. All are warm welcome to our online class. Today we are going to start the second chapter of our mathematics. A very interesting chapter, natural numbers and whole numbers. Chapter name, natural numbers and whole numbers. Okay, this is our chapter, second chapter, natural numbers and whole numbers. I am very sure that most of you have studied the first chapter well and you have written the examination well. Your mark will be published soon. Okay. Yes. In second chapter, it is very important to study what is natural numbers, what is whole numbers. These two points are very important. Okay. So, first and foremost, I would like to read the first passage of this chapter. Okay. Natural numbers. Please listen here carefully. We use numbers in our daily life. Yes, sure. We use numbers in our daily life. The concept of numbers is related to the collection of objects. Have a look at the following collections. In your first chapter, the first part of the first page, you can see different types of objects in the page. There are clocks, bottles, glasses and so on. Okay. Yes. How many objects are there? Each collection has different types of objects. These collections have one property in common. One property in common. How many clocks are there? Yes. Please count it. Yes. 5 clocks are there. How many glasses are there? Yes. 5. Then each has 5 objects. 5 is the number name represented by each collection. We show it by using the numeral. Yes, we show the representation of 5, the numeral. We use numeral. Which numeral? Yes, this is the numeral using for 5. Am I correct or not? Yes, it is very simple. We have studied it very well before that. After that, these numbers help us in counting. Sure, these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These numbers help us to counting any objects. We call the counting numbers. It is why we call them counting numbers or natural numbers. Please listen here. It is very simple to understand what is natural numbers. Another name of natural numbers is counting numbers. Yes. Like this 5, it helps us to count the objects. It is why it is called counting numbers. Okay. Another name of counting number, natural number. Okay. Then the natural number, we can define the natural number, the numbers that can be helped to count the objects or collection of objects. Okay. So, this collection of numbers starting from 1, 2 and etc. is known as natural number. It is denoted by n. Yes, it is denoted by n. N means natural numbers. Okay? Natural numbers. Then, which are the natural numbers? Yes, the numbers which help to count a object or one more objects. Okay? So, it is very simple. Please listen here. The natural numbers, there are different numbers. There are different numerals. The natural numbers or natural numerals, which are they? 1, 2, 3, etc. These are the natural number. Okay. The second chapter, natural numbers and whole numbers. First and foremost, we have to understand what is natural number, what is counting number. Both are same. Natural number or counting number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. Okay. Then what is whole number? Please just read it. Natural number include 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. They are also called as counting numbers. We have discussed it. We saw that the addition or the multiplication of any two natural number is always a natural number. If we add two natural number, then we got a natural number. If we multiply two natural number, then we got another natural number as a product. It is very clear. Please listen here. What is? We saw that the addition or the multiplication of any two natural number is always a natural number. If we add 5 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 5, 10. Then we got natural number. We add two natural number. We add two natural number. Then we got another natural number. Okay. Is this 10 natural number? Yes, natural number, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on, etc. These are the natural number. Then 10 is natural number. If we add any two natural number, we got another natural number. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. These are the natural numbers. Okay. So, that is very simple. Please listen here. If we add or multiply two numbers, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 is a natural number. 1 into 3. 3 is a natural number. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 is a natural number. Then these are two natural number. If we multiply these two natural number, we got another natural number or counting number. Okay? Yes. Then, but what happens when we subtract two natural number? What happens when we subtract two natural number? We got same natural number everywhere? No, we cannot say so, because let us find out. 89 minus 9, 80. Yes, this is a natural number, this is a natural number. We got another natural number. Yes, it is very correct. Then is equal to 480 minus 80. Yes, 400. These are natural number. When we subtract these two natural number, we got the difference as a natural number. 400 is a natural number. Okay. Then please listen here. But is it always true? No. Whenever we subtract two numbers that are same, whenever we subtract two numbers that are same equal, the result is 0. For example, 99. 99 minus 99. These are two equal numbers. Two are natural number. Then we got 0. Please listen here. We got 0. 0 is not a natural number because natural number starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the natural number or counting number. 0 is not a member of natural number. Then we cannot get every time when we subtract two natural number, we can't. It may be natural number or another number. It may be natural number or not natural number. Okay. Then 480 minus 480, 0. 0 is not a natural number. So it is, we can say that if we multiply two natural number, we got another natural number. If we add two natural number, we got another natural number. If we subtract two natural number, the difference or the product we got may be natural number or not natural number. Okay. So we got 0. Then 0. Is it natural number? No. Then which number is this? Yes, that is the question. Please listen here. This is the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the natural numbers. Okay. N represent for the natural number. Then 0, 1, 2, 3. Then 0 which number? Yes, listen here. In both the above cases, the result is 0 and it is not a natural number. Hence, if we include 0 with the collection of natural number, we get whole number. We get whole numbers. Okay? That is the second question, the second answer of the question. Natural numbers and whole number. We discussed about the natural number. What is the natural number? Then another main point in our second chapter is whole number. Yes. If we include 0 with the collection of natural number, what we'll get? We get whole number. This is whole number. Okay. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on. Do you understand? Please listen here carefully. The difference between natural number and whole number. Yes, there is 0 in whole number. There is not 0 in natural number. Okay? Yes. Let us observe this on the number line. Number line is very important. Okay? Number line. Please listen here. This is a number line. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. These are the natural number. No, these are the whole numbers. Natural number starting from 1, whole number starting from 0. Okay. The number line, it includes whole number and a natural number. Okay. On the number line, we discover that the number immediately to the right is the successor. The number immediately right. This is the right one of 0. This is the right one of 1. This is the right one of 2. This is the immediately right one. Okay. Immediately right to the right of the 3. So, 2 is the successor of 1. 2 is the successor of 1. 3 is the successor of 2. 4 is the successor of 3. 5 is the successor of 4. 6 is the successor of 5. Okay. Then second sentence, and to the left is the predecessor. Immediately to the left. The number immediately to the left is the predecessor. Okay, 1 is the place of left. 1 is the place left of the 2. So 1 is the predecessor of 2. 1 is the predecessor of 2. 2 is the predecessor of 3. 3 is the predecessor of 4. 4 is the predecessor of 5. Okay, we got successor of a number when we add 1. When we add 1, we got successor. When we add, so subtract 1, we got predecessor. Okay. The successor of 4. The successor of 4, we have to add 1. Then we got 5. Then this 5 is the successor of 4. Okay. When we what is the successor of 4? No, sorry, what is the predecessor of 4? Then we have to subtract 4 minus 1, 3. 3 is the successor. Sorry, 3 is the predecessor of 4. Okay. So, this 3 in the left of 4, to the left of 4. The 5 is right of 4. Okay? Yes. Please listen here. Example 1. Write the successor and predecessor of 5. It is very simple. If we add 1 with 5, then we got the successor. If we subtract 1 from the 5, then we got predecessor. Okay. Example 2. Arrange the following numbers in the ascending order. It is very important. Example 2. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. You have to do it. Please listen here. There is 2 rules. First, consider the number with the maximum number of digit. Consider the maximum number of digit. Rule number 2, compare the numbers with the same number of digits. Compare the same number of digits. Take the number with the same place value but greater face value. Okay, that is 2 rules we have discussed previously. Okay, so the numbers can be arranged in descending order. Yes, that is the answer you have to write. Let us recall the basic properties of whole numbers and a natural number. There are the 7 properties you have to read and write down in your notebook. Okay, I can read here. All natural numbers are whole number. All natural numbers are whole number. All natural number. Which are the natural number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the natural number. Whole natural numbers are whole number because whole number starting from 0. 1 is whole number. 2 is whole number. 3 is whole number, also whole number. Then 1 is odd number and natural number. So, all natural numbers are whole number, but all whole number are not natural number. All whole number are not natural number because 0 is not a natural number. Okay. Second property, 0 is the smallest whole number and 1 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest whole number, 1 is the smallest natural number. Okay. Third one, there is neither a larger natural number nor a largest whole number as the numbers are infinite. Infinite. Okay. What is the largest whole number or natural number? No, we cannot say, because if you say any number, then just add 1 with that number, then we got another number, largest number. So the number are infinite. Okay, so no end, endless, countless. Okay. The property number 4. Fourth one, the successor of a whole number is obtained by adding 1 to it. We have discussed. The predecessor of a whole number is 1 less than the given number. Fifth one. Sixth one, 0 does not have any predecessor. 0 does not have any predecessor. Is there a predecessor? No, 0 have not any predecessor. Whole numbers can be represented on a number line. Okay, we have represented the whole number line. Now whole number exists to the left of 0. Every number to the right of 0 is greater than 0. Okay. Then there is C. Every whole number on the number line is greater than the number of its. For example, 22 more than 10, 200 more than 89. Okay. Every whole number on the number line is less than the number to its right. For example, 22 is less than 27. 9 is less than 10, etc. Okay. Okay, there is example. Write all whole numbers between 525 and 529. Please listen here. Write all the whole numbers between 525 and 528. Okay, which are the whole numbers between 525 and 529? Very simple. 25, then 26, 27, next 28. Then these are the two numbers which are the whole numbers. These are two whole numbers between 525 and 528. Okay. Then tomorrow you have to write write the whole numbers between. Okay. Write the whole numbers between 525 to 530, 678 to 790, 878 to 888. Okay? Yes. Today we have discussed the first part of the second chapter, whole number and natural number. We have discussed about natural number. What is natural number? We understood that natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is the whole number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the whole numbers. These are the main point, and we have discussed how to find out the predecessor and successor of any number. Okay, please study this class very well. Let us see again and next class. Thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.